blue highlights in my blonde hair. Hi, I'm Pat and welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how I'm going to bleach out this pink and blue hair using the Ion Brilliance Bright White Cream Lightener. So keep on watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and the little bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a brand new video. Alright, so let's jump right into it and I'll bleach out my hair. So I did another video where I used the Ion Color Brilliance Cream Lightener Bright White, and I used a 20 volume developer and my hair ended up pretty yellow. Upon further consideration, I think the cream lightener brings down the level of the developer. So if you use a 20 volume, I think this might kick it down to like 15 or something. So what I did is I got some 30 volume and 40 volume and I'll mix those together and that'll make like a 35, and that should be enough to lift the color out of my hair. Plus, that'll do a nice root touch up for me too. So keep on watching and let's mix this up. So this says it will do 8 levels of lift, and on the instructions it says to mix it with a ratio of 1 to 1 or 1 to 2 with a 10, 20, 30, or 40 volume developer, depending on the desired degree of lightening. So that's why I decided to do like a 35. So I have my 30 volume developer, and I have a little thing of 40 volume developer, and you're not really supposed to use 40 right on your scalp, so I would definitely recommend to dilute this, and so I'll be diluting it with the 30 volume and also the cream developer, or cream lightener developer. Usually this is powder, so I did find that I really like this because of the consistency, and the results are very even and it doesn't dry out. Sometimes when you bleach your hair with powder bleach, it gets kind of dry on your scalp. Okay, so before I do that, I need to put gloves on. So things you might need: gloves. You might want some paper towel in case you make a mess. You're gonna want a mixing bowl and a brush. And you'll probably also need a mirror. So I have this trifold mirror that lights up, and I will include a link for that down below on Amazon. That'll be an affiliate link, so I earn a little bit of commission if you're interested in that. It has a 2x zoom and a 3x zoom, and it lights up. This one's pretty dirty, covered in makeup. I'm just gonna do about half the bowl with this. My hair is getting kind of long. I also need a haircut. Maybe a quarantine at home haircut. Let me know in the comments down below if you'd like to see me attempt to cut my own hair. About half 40, and then I'll put the rest 30. And mixing time. You want to make sure that you get your favorite towel that you can ruin so that you don't wreck your clothes. Okay, so you want to get that nicely incorporated so it's one consistency. And before I get rid of my pink and blue hair, if you want to see a video on how to dye your hair pink and blue like cotton candy, I'll put a link up here or up here, depending on which side it ends up on, and you can go check out that video too. Alright, so I've got this mixed up, and I'm going to just apply that right onto my hair as is. Actually, it's a little bit thick, so I'm going to add just a little bit more developer. And you don't want to wash your hair right before you bleach it because you want the natural oils of your scalp to protect your scalp from the bleach. And any product that's in your hair, I have a little bit of product in my hair, but the bleach will just eat right through that, no problem. Okay, that looks nicely mixed together, nice and smooth. So now I can start applying it to my hair. So normally you don't want to apply this right to the scalp because the heat from your scalp helps increase the speed of developing, but I'm doing a root touch up, so that's actually what I want to do. But I'm also removing color, so Manic Panic tends to come out just immediately as soon as you put anything on your hair. Even the wrong hairspray seems to take that out. So I'm not too worried about the color removal. Hopefully the pink and the blue doesn't stick too much. It shouldn't because it's Manic Panic. No. It dripped on my shorts. If you're paying attention, comment down below if you're right or left-handed. My brain gets all mixed up when I'm looking at a monitor and a mirror and also dyeing my hair. My brain wants me to use my left hand and then my right hand wants to do it. Okay, so I've got the top and the sides mostly covered, and I'm just going to do the back to the best of my ability. So just sort of part it. Okay, so I've got all the bleach applied. As you can see, the pink came right out as I was applying the bleach. And the blue looks like it's hanging on a little bit, so hopefully I don't end up with blue highlights in my blonde hair. Anyways, I'm going to set a timer for 20 minutes or maybe wait another 10 minutes, but I'll be right back with washed out hair and you can see the final result of the cream lightener. Okay, so I washed out the bleach and this is the final result. My hair is super white. I have not used a toner on this. I did not use a purple shampoo. I didn't even condition it. All I've done is washed it out and then I just pulled it straight up and you can see it is really very light. So I'm quite happy with that. I'm going to leave it. I'm not going to do a toner right now because it's light enough. So that is the Color Brilliance Bright Whites Cream Lightener instead of powder lightener, and I used a 30 and 40 volume mixed together, and that lifted out the pink and the blue and in my roots, and my hair is super white. So highly recommend, really like this stuff. I would say definitely use a 30 volume, not a 20 volume, because I think this dilutes the volume of the developer a little bit, because last time I did this, my hair came out super yellow and it is very white this time. So highly recommend. You can pick this up at Sally. I will try to find a link for it on Amazon too and include that in the description down below. Alright, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a great big thumbs up. Smash the subscribe button and the little bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a brand new video. And I'll see you for another video next time. Thanks for watching. Bye!